Here are 5 things I bet you want to perfect as a presenter. Brilliant on-screen presence, optimal use of technology, creating presentations faster, timing your presentations right, knowing your real impact. In the Presenters Pavilion, you will get all this tailored to you. It is a mastermind group of exclusively 12 presenters. We meet for 8 weeks, you learn and you present. And you get supportively, critically evaluated by peers. It costs hardly anything, but you need to qualify. WhatsApp +91 965 002 8085 to express your intent. And if you're wondering why me and who I am, here's a podcast by Roy Cullen for speakers and presenters like you. His channel ranks in the top 0.5% of podcasts internationally. But before I send you off to Roy, punch me in the face and subscribe. And while you're at it, ding the bell so that we get notifications across to you. I will see you with a drink at the Pavilion.